Base Commander, this is Gray Squirrel, over.
Gray Squirrel, this is Base Commander, go ahead, over.
Received reports of enemy vehicles in the area. Launching recon bird to get a better visual, over. I have visual on 2 tangos, strike 4 tangos. Tangos appear to be a variant of the First Order all-terrain scout transport, the ATST, armed with dual blaster cannons and dual grenade launchers. Sending visual now. Shots fired, I say again, shots fired.
Gray Squirrel, confirmed target location for air support, over.
Tango 1, 400 meters north. Tango 2, 1300 meters northeast at 15 degrees. Tango 3, kilos at 330 degrees. Tango 4, 6 kilos at 350 degrees. Individual on Tango 5, 3 kilos at 30 degrees.
Gray Squirrel, Region Lima Charlie, helos are on the way. Vacate ASAP. Over.
Lowering recon bird and requesting immediate extraction from rendezvous point Alpha in 5 mics. Gray Squirrel out.